Welcome to the Cordyceps cultivation course, officially starting now. My name is William, founder, CSO, driving force at MycoSymbiotics. MycoSymbiotics is an ecological research business that I started in 2015, focused on studying the environment and creating ecologically regenerative micro-industry to be able to bolster the research that we want to do so that we don't have to bend to the will of various grants, fellowships, and loans and things like this. The camp part makes it really great staff here. We got great volunteers helping to keep everything flowing through the kitchen.
Vegetarians, veggies, but we've got plenty here, so y'all have eaten together. So this is our crumble. It's an apple crumble with persimmon. We've got a medley of mushrooms with shiitake, maitake, matsutake.
First, we're going to be starting with truffles, and then using that as the jump off to start working with all these other things to be able to plant food-producing trees that also have associations with food or medicine-producing mushrooms. We're working on getting this property certified organic for Cordyceps production so that we can start producing Cordyceps at scale here to supply California and also to supply a national market with a wholesale domestic organic Cordyceps product.
I mean, every bit into a fucking sheep.
Oh yeah.
Oh
yeah.
This is our fruiting body. This is grade A fruiting body that we would sell on retail shelves.
Never had it. Yeah. No.
Yeah, we're just gonna make some tea with some honey. You know what I mean? Off my. People could take a gram of this. This will last them about a month because you can take a gram a day and make a really nice tea.
Think about that. Like,
Who else doesn't have?
that's the way I like.
This is the main thing here. It's the main staple that's been keeping MycoSymbiotics going since 2016.
Oh my gosh.
It's actually sweet.
If I get this in the morning every day, just optimize. This is why you grow. It's for the medicine. This is it.